test the garlic splitter and the clove sorter. This is the garlic splitter. It will rotate and split the bulb to cloves. The clove sorter. After the bulb splitted, the cloves will come out from here and go into the clove sorter. The clove sorter have 3 sizes. The first degree is about 2 centimeters. The second is about 3 centimeters. The big one come out from here, and other impurities come out from here. Then you will get the graded clove. The impurities come out from here, the garlic skin. When work is done,